Don't wake me, I'm not dreaming. Past lives couldn't ever hold me down. Lost love.
This ambient light is controlled on the app of the phone. See, then there are two kinds of it. First is RGB and then colorful rainbow. Okay, next we will show you. First of all, let's see the RGB mode. See, let's switch the color. You see the light, how to change the light. And yellow, it's fast. It's green, blue. See, it's fast reaction. And you switch the color. The different mode of the RGB, single, gray, all gray you see, and strobe, whoa, and matte, and rhythm, can follow the music. And second, we now colorful rainbow mode. You can see different here, and so the illusion. You can see it's different from RGB. Now it's more colors. See, different. As this the trunk mode 1 to 6. Different. And the rhythm. You see it's different from the RGB rhythm mode. This colorful rainbow rhythm mode is 1 to 6 different. Next is colorful. Wow. And also you can customize the length of the light. In long the light, you customize the interval between this light to the next light, and the brightness. You can set the brightness. Yeah, it's very fast. You can see the reaction is fast. Yeah. And the speed. See the light, the flowing of the light is fast and slow. Also, you can set the speed of the light flowing. You see now, train is faster. Yeah, you see, slower, faster, slower.